Welcome back to the vlog. Today is 8th of February. Holiday. It's done that. Going to take a bath. Going to have a beautiful lunch right now. After that, I'll be going to meet Mr. Ochishman Chakravarti. We have planned out to go out somewhere and spend this time valuable. I hope you guys see this video fully and give me a feedback on how you liked the video. I was playing Pokemon Go early morning today, as you saw in the last vlog, yesterday's vlog. That's all for today. I guess this day comes out good. Doing the grind, you know the drill. Please do subscribe to the video. If you have not yet subscribed, click that subscribe button. I'll be having lunch today. Daily I have lunch. So let's start the day. So the main thing is currently we are heading to London. It's a movie theater which is very old. We are going to go there, spend some time, and this guy is brushing right now. He's brushing right now, and the time right now is 4:30 in the evening. Super. This is how we roll. Madam is also coming. Disha madam is also coming. So we'll meet her as well. We'll take her with us. So finally reached Masterdom. Gonna get the metro and go to Ravindra Sadan. Then
This is one of the very few places we have here.
yeah, London is a very good spot. To gossip and all, have tea, gossip and all. My beard looks weird. Beard. Wow. Let's continue the day. We'll be waiting for Madam in our vlog. Madam is on the way.
Huh?
Love you.
Love you too.
Madam is here. Madam, Tonti madam. क्या ऐसे all good?
আমার কানের কাছে বলার কিছু
আমি ভিডিওতে বলেছিলাম
কানের কাছে বলার কিছু হয়নি
কানটাও
ফিস করে বল
ছিল
ফিস করে বল
তো কানটাও মুখের সামনে
So this is what's currently happening. I'm pampering these two kids. Currently there is an update. We are heading towards Desi Lane. Let's have some food, spend some good time.
I'm tired of the pain.
Finally reached Kalighat, heading towards Desi Lane, which is near to Alipur. Yeah, we are exhausted right now.
এইটুকুতেই we are exhausted.
So we're currently going to have a snack kind of thing, have some gossip, spend some time, and have some food. Currently we reached the restaurant.
The restaurant.
Kinda. So heading towards the restaurant. Check this out. Check this place.
And shouldn't find a home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. If you want it and you shouldn't find a home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
So basically, we had our dinner and
dinner
evening snacks. Okay.
dinner कौन करता है
Okay, we had evening snacks. I'm भूल गया. Ah, shit. So Chishman has went to collect the bill. He's back.
चेक करने वाला था
Huh?
चेक करने वाला था
Yeah.
चेक करने वाला
This is the bill. ये है बिल. इसको दिखाने से बाहर छोड़ेगा, वरना नहीं छोड़ेगा. So we are heading towards home. We had a good time. Don't tell that. So we are heading towards home. मेरे को क्या फोटो लेगा? Thank you so much.
मेरे को भी नहीं आ रहा है, ठंडा लग रहा है, जैकेट भी नहीं आ रहा है।
Bro, the fight is on, huh? भाई मेरे को वो फ्लो में नहीं आया भाई. भाई एक स्टेप मारना भाई. Lots and lots of gossip and lots of things happened. I'm really fortunate to see these two fight like anything. And
You are fortunate to see that. यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं.
I'm seriously. Let's have a good time.
Literally tandoori chicken for snack.
Tandoori chicken snack is good. That is good, no?
I
Yeah, why? That is not good. Because you are hungry.
I was not the only one who was hungry. That is the thing.
And these two guys are fighting. I'm trying to pamper both of my brothers and sisters. And let's see what happens. And my auntie is my auntie is calling like anything. Let's receive that call and do whatever.
बोल रहा था कि we were trying to do like know my face, see my face, comfortably see my face. Don't go on my face.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
That's the problem. Like people think when they see me, they think that yeah, this guy is good. This guy is like one of the guys who have got this good personality kind of thing. But I'm not. Very few people know that because my circle is very small. It's very small. Oh fuck.
Someone is getting curious by the statements right now.
The thing is,
I'm getting
it doesn't matter that if my circle is small. What matters is whoever, most of the people who are in my circle, I will mention you guys with the names. It's Miss Kananika Ghosh. She is there with me since 2015. And there is Mr. Shriram Ramki, who is there with me, I don't know from when.
From childhood, when you're fucking before you born.
He saw me when I was on the laps of my mother.
Exactly, dear. Exactly.
There are very few people. At the rate Dre Beatbox, do follow him. He is doing a great job out there, but he feels that I'm not with him, but still I'm with him. So okay, fine, Dre Beatbox. So do follow his channel. He has got his own channel. Okay.
Yeah,
going to
exactly.
be an epic.
Do support him in whatever he's doing. He's doing pretty good. So do support him, and we are always with him. Lately things have gone wrong, but that doesn't matter. The thing is,
We'll be coming back in the vlog, don't worry.
Things have gone wrong. If even things have gone wrong, दोस्त है यार, मिटा लेंगे. दोस्त है, कोई बात नहीं.
So the point is, we are heading towards home, and there are a lot of conversation happening. These two were fighting past 1 hour, past 2 hours. These two guys were fighting. These two people were fighting. I'm trying to solve this problem, but it is okay that they are convinced right now, and they are back to their normal state. Currently, the status is we are trying to heading back.
We are just trying to reach home. It's pretty late.
It's pretty much late. It's 8:30 in the night, and we are trying to reach back home. Acha, today is the today is the proposed day. Today is the proposed.
look at this.
What the fuck?
मेरा घर संसार टूट गया. एक था शुभंशु, एक आ गया श्रीराम राम.
अरे यार.
Shoot. See, this is going to be an epic video. I'm telling you. Shubhamshu, we all love you, brother.
We
We
seriously
all love you, brother.
We seriously love you. Shubham Chur was
मैं कुछ
there.
नहीं बोलूँगा.
लड़ा हो.
ये बोलने जाएगा तो फिर गीते भी बड़ी खराब है. थोड़ा मुस्तवादी है. थोड़ा मुस्तवाद छिटकी होते चले जाए.
lot of things happened today.
Lot of things.
Lot of things happened today. No, it's okay.
No, the point is that Shur literally missed today.
Yeah, exactly. So the thing happened today is we started, we had a plan, we came out, we pretty much tried to resolve an issue which happened yesterday. These two guys were having an issue. These two guys were having an issue, and I tried to resolve it, and I made a pretty much good job. Today is the proposed day, and this girl proposed to this guy, and this guy is trying.
She's proposing me for the past 6 years.
They are figuring out who proposed who. Let me clear this out. Epic Valentine week. So current update is nothing much. These guys had a good time. I was also having a good time spending time with them. And there are a lot of updates. Dre, a shout out to you. Shivam Shur, a shout out to you.
This guy and me. This guy is a total cheatia. This guy and me, we have a like 5.5 years of a relationship, and I must tell you that relationships are not bed of roses. You see, there are hell lot of fights, hell fucking lot of fights. You just need to go through it together, right? That is the motto. You are not supposed to split up and go your separate ways and then diss about each other like, oh, this guy is bad, oh, this guy is bad, this girl is bad. You just need to stick together.
I tried lot of times, bro. I tried hell lot of times these things to happen. Currently we are heading back home. Disha has already left, and we are heading back home. We are trying to find an auto and head back home. It's 9:30 at the night, and it's pretty much cold, and I hope
have a jacket.
he has a jacket, but it is not adequate enough to withstand the cold. So the thing is, I'll be heading back home right now. We just landed off near my house, and tomorrow is a holiday, so I'll be making a video tomorrow. So let's head back home and see you guys tomorrow. Until then, comment, like and subscribe to the videos, and do share it with your family and friends. Until then, adios, brother.
I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then follow home. But if you wanna try